welcome back to my channel Grow Vlogs. Today we will see BMW models.
3 Series Sedan. The original 3 Series Sedan brought power, agility and spirit to the everyday driver. 3 Series have 6 variants. 330i, 330i X-Drive, M340i, M340i X-Drive, 330e, 330e X-Drive. 5 Series Sedan. Uncompromising driving dynamics are the heart and soul of every 5 Series sedan. 5 Series have 7 variants. 530i, 530i X-Drive, 540i, 540i X-Drive, 530e, 530e X-Drive, M550i X-Drive. 7 Series Sedan. In the 7 Series Sedan, everything is first class. Enjoy every refinement, every detail, every movement. 7 Series have 6 variants. 740i, 740i X-Drive, 750i X-Drive, Alfina B7 X-Drive, 745e X-Drive, M760i X-Drive. M5 Sedan. The M5 is set to stunt, introducing track-tuned character and race-born innovation. This sedan have only 2 variants, M5 and M5 Competition. i3 Sedan. i3 is perfect compact sedans for daily commutes and road trips. i3 have 4 variants, i3, i3s, i3 with range extender, i3s with range extender. 2 Series Coupe. The 2 Series brings performance and handling to a thrilling coupe that redefines driving pleasure. 2 Series have 4 variants, 230i, 230i X-Drive, M240i, M240i X-Drive. 4 Series Coupe. The 4 Series Coupe is marvel of engineering that delivers a dynamic driving experience. 4 Series have 4 variants, 430i, 430i X-Drive, 440i, 440i X-Drive. 8 Series Coupe. The bold, aggressive 8 Series Coupe design easily captures the combination of high performance. 8 Series have 3 variants, 840i, 840i X-Drive, M850i X-Drive. M2 Competition Coupe. The M2 Competition presents power beyond your wildest imagination. M2 have only 1 variant, M2 Competition. M4 Coupe. M4 Coupe built to define premium BMW performance. Feel the pure power of sporty coupe. M4 have only 1 variant, M4. i8 Coupe. The i8 captures the emotion of motion. Experience the pure power of progressive sports car. i8 have only 1 variant, i8. BMW X1. The 2020 BMW X1 offers more than high marks. This is performance you can feel. X1 have 2 variants, X1 S-Drive 28i, X1 X-Drive 28i. BMW X2. The BMW X2 turns conventional automotive design on its head with an appearance and attitude. X2 have 3 variants, X2 S-Drive 28i, X2 X-Drive 28i, X2 M35i. BMW X3. The BMW X3 combines rugged looks and impressive presence with design elements. X3 have 4 variants, X3 S-Drive 30i, X3 X-Drive 30i, X3 M40i, X3 X-Drive 30e. BMW X4. The BMW X4 designed to be boldly conquer every road and looks like a true athlete. X4 have only 2 variants, X4 X-Drive 30i, X4 M40i. BMW X5. BMW X5 is ready to perform vacation rides, long drives and everyday lives. X5 have 5 variants, X5 S-Drive 40i, X5 X-Drive 40i, X5 X-Drive 50i, X5 M50i, X5 X-Drive 45e. BMW X6. The boldness of the BMW X6 is unmistakable. This sends a message of power and prestige. X6 have 3 variants, X6 S-Drive 40i, X6 xDrive 40i, X6 M50i, BMW X7. BMW X7 evoke a feeling of spacious freedom, while the engineering ensures driving comfort from the inside out. X7 have 4 variants: X7 xDrive 40i, X7 xDrive 50i, X7 M50i, Alpina XB7. BMW X3M. BMW X3M proves to be a superior in every way, packed with the performance prestige. X3M only have one variant, X3M. BMW X4M. The BMW X4M combines the dramatic profile of a SAV. X4M have only one variant, X4M. BMW X5M. The sports activity vehicle that takes the power of M to the extreme. X5M have 2 variants, X5M, X5M Competition. BMW X6M. The all-new BMW X6M unites elite performance and intense. X6M have 2 variants, X6M, X6M Competition. 2 Series Convertible. 2 Series Convertible is set to stun when it comes to high performance driving and flawless maneuvering. 2 Series Convertible have 4 variants: 230i Convertible, 230i xDrive Convertible, M240i Convertible, M240i xDrive Convertible. 4 Series Convertible. The sleek lines and dynamic curves of the 4 Series Convertible demand attention. 4 Series Convertible have 4 variants: 430i Convertible, 430i xDrive Convertible, 440i Convertible, 440i xDrive Convertible. 8 Series Convertible. Reward your senses with the 8 Series Convertibles and evokes the flow of open air. 8 Series Convertible have 3 variants: 840i Convertible, 840i xDrive Convertible, M850i xDrive Convertible, M4 Convertible. M4 Convertible are built to define premium BMW performance. M4 have only one variant, M4 Convertible. Z4 Roadster. The original BMW Z4 Roadsters were built to deliver maximum excitement. Z4 Roadster have 2 variants, Z4 xDrive 30i, Z4 xDrive M40i. i8 Roadster. Experience the pure power of the world's most progressive sports car. BMW i8 Roadster have only one variant, that is BMW i8 Roadster.